Beltrame AKC 777 Black Finger. Fires nice and hard. And here is the masterpiece. This is an Armando Beltrame Italian made stiletto that's been customized by StrayDog. And I knew as soon as I set my eyes on it that I had to have it. 5-inch, 11 inches overall. This right here came from automaticknives.com. It was a pleasure doing business with them, and they have a really large assortment of custom stilettos and knives. Check out the file work. Beautiful. This was from bladeplay.com. Like 65 bucks. This was $349 plus $20 2-day shipping.